Morning peeps. So today we are going to climb Cadair Idris. Sorry if you're Welsh and I'm pronouncing that wrong. We're going via the MINFFORDD path. That just seems to have topped the favourite list on the way up, so that's the one we're going to take today. My legs still hurting a little bit from the race yesterday. I've got the blister plasters on my feet, so hopefully the blisters won't get any worse. And as you can see, it is another wet day in Wales. But let's get going. Alright, it's our first look down into the valley from the MINFFORDD path. Still quite a long way to go. We're up to the top. Wow, just look at this. Beautiful scenery. Over there, you can't even see the top of the mountains. It's like they're leading up into the heavens. All these beautiful waterfalls just trickling down. Very Tolkien-esque. Properly up into the cloud now. Lord of the Rings territory. On the path into Mordor. Definitely on top of the mountain now. Clear day, you can see right down to the lake from here. When you're not in the wind, it's a very peaceful place. Thankfully, as with lots of the mountainous routes in the UK, you have these big piles of boulders that can help you navigate whilst there's fog, so that has made it a little bit easier. But yeah, sitting here now is nice and peaceful and quiet. I'm going to take the time to have a drink and something with you. Way back down. Some Got a little bit of energy in the bar. It's nice to be out of the rain and the cloud and the wind. It's nice and beautiful down here again. You can see the waterfalls coming out of Lyncow, so the lake that we couldn't really see today. We're going to head back down the valley to the car, get a nice coffee.
Oh,